Hey, what's going on, everybody? So I am looking for somebody who can make intros like this, cutscenes, basically everything you're going to watch in this short clip. I love this guy's work. I would love to work with him more, but he disappears for weeks at a time and he does not contact me back. So if you know anybody that can do stuff just like this, or if you can do it yourself, please let me know. Also looking for some more green screen stuff like you're going to see in a second. And then probably even some outros. So I have quite a bit of work I'd like for this channel, and I have my other channel, The Palette Hunter, that I would also like some work done on. So please shoot me an email at techandmore66@gmail.com if you can do this work, and have yourselves an awesome day. See ya. Thanks a lot.